Network problems are often temporary, and there are even instances wherein they get fixed on their own. However, there are times they tend to be very persistent. So in this video, we will show you how to fix a Galaxy S21 with very slow internet connection. But before we move on, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Going back to our topic, here are the things you should do. First solution, disable Wi-Fi on your phone for a few seconds. If you've always had a good and stable internet connection through your Wi-Fi network, and then suddenly it became slow, then it's possible that it's just a minor glitch in your phone's system. So the first thing you have to do is make sure your device receives the signal from your router properly. Try disabling the Wi-Fi service on your Galaxy S21 for a few seconds and then re-enable it. This often retains the stability of your connection. Here's how you do it. Swipe down from the top of the screen, tap the Wi-Fi icon to disable it. After a few seconds, tap on it again and allow your phone to reconnect to the network. After doing that, perform a speed test to see if your phone now has a good internet connection. Second solution, restart your router and your phone. There are also times when a problem like this occurs because your devices have been online for a long time already. So if the first solution failed to fix the problem, then what you have to do next is to refresh the memories of your router and your phone. Here's how you do it. Unplug the router from the outlet or simply disconnect the power cord from the main unit. Leave it without power for a minute or two. While waiting, press and hold the volume down button and the power key of your phone for 10 seconds. This will trigger the device to shut down and power back up. Once the logo shows on the screen, release both keys and allow the phone to continue the boot process. Now, plug the router to the outlet or reconnect the power cord to it. Wait for the router to start broadcasting a signal and then let the phone reconnect to the network. Most of the time, this procedure will fix any Wi-Fi issue. However, if the problem continues, then move on to the next solution. Third solution, re-establish the connection between your devices. After refreshing your device's memories and your phone still has a very slow internet, then perhaps the current connection is corrupted. So the next thing you need to do is to re-establish the connection between your devices. It means you have to forget the current connection and have your Galaxy S21 reconnect to your router. Here's how you do that. Swipe down from the top of the screen. Tap and hold on the Wi-Fi icon to open its settings. Tap the gear icon next to the network your phone is connected to. Tap Forget at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the network you want your phone to connect and enter the password. Tap Connect to have your device reconnect to the network. Once your Galaxy S21 is reconnected to the network, perform a speed test to know if the connection has improved. Fourth solution, reset the network settings on your phone. More often, the first three solutions are enough to fix a problem like this. However, if the problem continues to bug you, then it's time to reset the network services of your device. It's possible that one or some of the services stopped working. Resetting the network settings won't delete any of your files, but it will erase all the wireless connections. Here's how it's done. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset to view the reset options. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings and if prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset to proceed with the network settings reset. After doing that, have your Galaxy S21 reconnect to the Wi-Fi network, and you should be able to use your phone properly now. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.